Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we shall see how to find out the Wi-Fi password using command prompt. So just click on your start button like this, and then you have to search for command prompt, or you can just type CMD. So just type it and then click here on command prompt. Then the command prompt window is going to pop out. Now here you have to type some commands. Now the first command is netsh. This netsh is a command line scripting utility that allows you to display or modify the network configuration. And then we have to specify what kind of network we want to modify. So that is wireless LAN, then space. First of all, let's check out all the Wi-Fi connections that are saved in the computer. Wireless LAN, then space, show profiles. Alright. And you can see these are the Wi-Fi connections which are saved on my computer. So let's use the same command once again, netsh space wlan space show, and now we have to make some change. We will write show profile whose name equals, and within quotes we are going to write the name of the Wi-Fi connection whose password we want to check out. And then let's say I want to check the password for Android AP FB2B Wi-Fi connection, which is the third connection right here. So I'll just write the name like this, Android AP FB2B. Now we have to write key equals, and the value for this attribute is clear. If we don't write clear, then the password is not going to be visible. Instead, it will just be shown whether password is available or not, and the value of the password will not be visible. So we have to write key equals clear. Now if we just hit enter right now, then along with password other details are going to be visible. And if we just want to check the password, then I will write like this, space, and then a vertical bar. And then we have to write find space within double quotes key content like this, close the quotes and hit enter, and then you can see the password of this Wi-Fi. In the same way, you can find out the password of any of the Wi-Fi connection, whether it is currently connected to or it is one of the saved Wi-Fi connection. You can find out the password of any of them. So that's all for this video. I hope you were able to find out the password of your Wi-Fi internet connection. So don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.